In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft certificates to your LinkedIn profile. If you've recently earned a Microsoft certificate and want to showcase it professionally, adding it to LinkedIn is a great idea. It helps highlight your skills, makes your profile more credible, and can make it easier for recruiters, employers, or clients to see your qualifications at a glance. The good news is that this process is very simple and only takes a minute or two. Start by going to your LinkedIn profile. Make sure you're logged in, then open your profile page so you can edit your information directly. Once you're there, look for the option that says Add Profile section. This is where LinkedIn lets you expand your profile with additional details like achievements, education, and certifications. After you click Add Profile section, go to the recommended category. In that section, select Add Licenses and Certifications. This will open the form where you can manually enter the details of your Microsoft certificate. Now, in the certificate name field, type the exact name of the Microsoft certificate you earned. It's best to use the official title shown on the certificate so that your profile looks accurate and professional. Next, for the issuing organization, enter Microsoft. This tells LinkedIn who awarded the certification and makes the entry clear and recognizable. Then, enter your issue date if you have it available. This helps show when the certification was earned and can provide useful context for anyone reviewing your profile. If your certificate includes a Credential URL, add that as well. This is especially helpful because it gives viewers a direct way to verify the certificate or learn more about it. When adding the URL, make sure it's the correct link associated with your credential. Once all the information is filled in, click Save. Your Microsoft certificate will then appear in the Licenses and Certifications section of your LinkedIn profile. That's all there is to it. As a quick tip, double-check the spelling, date, and link before saving so everything looks polished and accurate. Keeping your certifications updated on LinkedIn is a simple way to strengthen your professional presence online and make your achievements more visible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.